Here's Papa.
Hello, 45 Alpha Charlie Papa channel, and today we're returning with the Hightower Armory Bullpup stock. Wonderful, wonderful stock system. If you want one, go to Hightower Armory's website. You'll need to back order them because these have become so popular that when they are taking orders, they're 6 to 12 weeks out. However, that's a good thing, and it's a good thing for the aftermarket companies. Our friends here at JS Arms Company sent me a couple of compensators to go with the Hightower Armory Bullpup stock. These are just a couple compensators going to fit on the end. You've got two different sizes here. You've got your bigger one that's going to fit your 40, your 45, and your 10 millimeter. And then you've got your smaller one here, and this is for your 380 and the 9 millimeter, what we have here. One of the complaints that I have heard about the stock is just this little barrel sticking out the end. And this is going to help beef that up a little bit. It also has holes in it, so it is going to be a compensator also. So let's go ahead and get this installed on the rifle. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. All right, this should be a pretty straightforward, very easy install. You've got a couple of screws here on the bottom side here. I do like the finish. It's nice. You do get a little discoloring around the holes here. That's just from when they were taking the burrs off when they drilled the holes. But that's also where carbon and stuff is going to build up when you shoot it. Not off-putting to me, but it is there. Really nice, made out of 61 aluminum, solid piece, milled out and then finished. You get this little 1-inch compensator here at the end of the shroud, but should be pretty straightforward and simple to put on. Now I'm going to use a little card here. The reason I'm going to use this little card, we'll go ahead and slip this on here. The barrel in this stock is floated. You can just put it up, screw it down, and be done with it. I want to give a little bit of gap here, a little bit of room for this floated barrel, so that the barrel isn't rubbing up against part of the stock. So that's just going to give it a little bit of gap for the harmonics of the rifle. Hopefully, it is a 9 millimeter. It is a carbine. It's a short range rifle, so you're probably not going to see a whole lot of difference. But just in case, I'm going to do that. Go ahead and get this where I think it's on there right. Tighten these two Allen screws down. And you can put a little Loctite on there if you want to. We'll see how it works when I get it out. I'm just going to give it a nice, good, snug tight down. Yeah, that seems to be good. Pull my card out here, and that's going to give me just a little bit of a gap there that you really can't notice or see, just so that the barrel remains floated. Alright, there it is, installed on the rifle, and I like it. It gives it a lot beefier, meaner look. The only thing you need to install it is an Allen key. You can get, that doesn't come with one, but I've got several of these laying around. You also have them in my screwdriver kit, so not a big deal, just a simple Allen key. We'll put this on and off. I do like the fact that they've got their logo on here, but it's not a big billboard across here. It's just nicely and tastefully done, kind of towards the bottom of the shroud here. But again, this is from JS Arms Company. If you'd like to get one, it's jsarmsco.com. I'll put a link down in the comments, pin a link to the comments for their website. They carry all kinds of high power accessories. They've got barrel shrouds, I believe, for the Beretta Storm carbines. So they've got all kinds of different accessories there, but I'd like to thank JS Arms Company for sending me a sample of their Muzzle Shroud Compensator. This is 45 Alpha Charlie Papa channel, and I am out.